Well, it's Armageddon at the grocery store. Oh my god. Alright. I'm not going into this grocery store. I'm not gonna do it. My mom and my sis just went in. But I'm not going in the grocery store. For the mere fact that there are psychos and they're buying French toast and are buying milk, bread, eggs, because the world's gonna end Monday. Really, people? Really? Like, I seriously don't get it. Where the fuck do you people come from? I mean, some of these people in this town, though, could lose a few pounds anyway. So maybe you shouldn't be at the grocery store, even though there's a snowstorm coming. Because think about it, it's a good way to lose weight. You know, because you can't get out to get food. God forbid. But it's good. It's a new Weight Watchers kind of thing. Snowstorm dieting. Yeah, it's called You Can't Get Out, You Can't Get to McDonald's. Wow, that sucks. People, you gotta live. Look at this. Over and over, more cars. And there's a car behind me. God forbid we don't get a parking space. Look, more. More. The whole town is here. Oh yeah, and by the way, you people who say, well, Bridget, you're not going to get out to get your Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, I will. I stock up on them. Word. I stock up on Dunkin' Donuts. I'm not stupid. I'll stock up. Anyway, it's fucking bullshit. It's crazy freaking people. And the more I sit here, the more I just want to yell. Stay home. Stay home. Lose weight. As you can see, I got the chip fixed eye tooth. It's a little better. I think I killed it a little bit already. Oh, look, see? There's more people. More people. It's just like fucking bullshit. Like, really, people? Do you really need eggs? What the fuck? Eggs? If there's anything I'd be shopping for right now, it'd be chocolate. And green. On the upside, there's some cute guys selling stuff at the entrance. So maybe I should go in. Later.